Hi, are you looking for a property and are too tired to do physical site visits? Well, you've landed at the right place. This is Property Cloud, your favorite online PropTech service. What exactly is a PropTech service? A PropTech service is the place where you can do virtual site visits. Now, what are virtual site visits? Virtual site visits are something wherein what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you to the property right over here on your mobile screen, on your computer screen, and also I'm going to show you the whole property. I'll also show you the sample flat if it is ready, and I'll show you all the details. I'll tell you where it is located. I'll tell you everything about the property right over here at the convenience of a house. And then once you like the property, then I'll also provide you with a free pickup and drop service with your own dedicated relationship manager. And then you will do the physical site visits once you have shortlisted the properties that you have liked over here on Property Cloud. Ab iske baad what we do is that we connect you directly to the developer so that there are no middlemen involved, and then there is also no brokerage involved. So you also get to see your favorite home on your computer screen. You get to decide your dream home, you get to buy it, go through the whole booking process and everything, absolutely zero brokerage at the convenience of your time and the convenience of your house. Now all of this, if this is not enough, then let me tell you something more about Property Cloud, but I'm going to tell that to you at the end of this video. First of all, let me tell you where we have come today. Let's go. And right here, I have walked into this most beautiful property, that is the Brigade Orchards, which is in Devanahalli. And this is one of the most prospering areas in Bengaluru. As you know, from here, the airport is very close, the national highway is very close, and also the schools and colleges and hospitals and also multiplexes and malls are very close to this area. Now, what we need to know is that what exactly is inside the project. Well, you have to stay tuned with me because I'm going to show you what exactly is inside the project, and also I'm going to show you their model flat, which is a very cute and cozy apartment. Well, this is the perfect place for you and your family. You have to visit the site. I'm going to tell you a lot more about it. First of all, let me show you the whole property in a gist. Let's take a look. The whole property is spread across 135 acres and will have a wide array of residential, commercial and retail spaces. Now I'll tell you about the connectivity. I've already told you about it, but let me tell you something about the amenities that are going to be over here in this project. It is going to have exclusive 3 and 4 BHK residences with terrace options, and you can already see the amenities in the 3D model. There are going to be swimming pools, there's going to be a basketball court, there's going to be a kids play area, there's going to be cricket, tennis courts, walking area, jogging tracks, gardens, multi-purpose club hall and a lot more. And now I'm going to tell you something else about this project. And here we are right into the house. Now you can already see that the foyer area is pretty spacious. It is of approximately 4.10 by 4.1 square feet. And this over here is your living and dining space. Let's take a look at the balcony first of all, and then we will come back to the living area. Now that over here is the balcony. And the balcony you can see is covered from 3 sides and comes with anti-skid flooring and with this grill over there. And coming back to our living and dining area, it is of approximately 10.8 by 15.8 square feet. This kitchen over here is of 9.2 by 9 square feet, and it comes with this L-shaped granite slab with the vegetable sink that you just saw and a pretty spacious kitchen as well. Now over here in this lobby area, we have 2 bedrooms and your common washroom. First of all, let's take a look at this kids' bedroom. This is a bedroom which is of approximately 8.10 by 10.2 square feet and comes with a pretty big window for perfect ventilation. And right next to it is the next bedroom, which is slightly bigger, 10 by 10.2 square feet, and yet another big window for ventilation and for lighting purpose. And now, as I told you, in this common area is also a common washroom. Let's take a look at this one as well. This is of 7 by 4.10 square feet. And now when we're entering the master bedroom, first thing you should take a look at the flooring. The flooring changes, and this is wooden finished ceramic tiles. So they have a good life, they are anti-skid and they look very beautiful. Here is your master bedroom. Now, one thing that I absolutely loved about the master bedroom is this door over here. Now this is a sliding door that opens to your standing balcony. Now if you can already notice, they've provided a grill right here outside, and you can always enjoy the perfect climate of Bengaluru from here. Along with that, because this is a master bedroom, it also has an attached toilet and wash to it, which is right over here, which is of 6.10 by 4.10 square feet, and it has anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles and CP sanitary fittings as well. Now that you've seen this beautiful house from inside, I'm sure you want to know what next. I mean, how will you come over here? How will you do the booking? And how can you know more about the project? I'm gonna tell you everything. Stay tuned with me. Until then, I am right here and I'm gonna tell you a lot more about this project. Now that you've seen the property and you have come back over here, I am sure that's because you need to know how to go ahead with the booking process. Just a second, I'm going to tell you. It's very simple. If you can see the caption, in the caption there is a link mentioned. All you need to do is simply click on the link and we will guide you through the rest of the process. How? Well, our salesperson will get in touch with you immediately and then help you do a physical site visit of the property with a free cab service. And then not just one, you can also visit multiple properties in one day so that you don't have to waste your time. Now this is Bengaluru and we know the traffic, so we don't want to waste your time. We don't want to waste your energy. In fact, we want you to buy your house at ease, simply and without any brokerage also. So that's what we are here for. Property Cloud is at your service. All you need to do is simply click on the link below and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such beautiful properties. Thank you.